welcome the President of the Republic of Uganda.
I'd like to take a very special opportunity to welcome you, Your Excellency, to the UMA grounds when we are commencerating the 27th Uganda International Trade Fair, and to thank you sincerely for honoring our invitation.
The theme this time is promoting job creation through industrialization. We do highly commend the Association for organizing the International Trade Fair for the last 27 years.
Today we have about 500 exhibitors, of whom 104 are foreign exhibitors, with the rest being local. This is a great achievement, noticing where we came from.
Your Excellency, the Steel and Tube Pavilion has been the best that we've come across, and we wish you to hand over the overall winner trophy. Your Excellency, we wouldn't be here without the support of a few of our members who've gone above and beyond in supporting this trade fair.
My name is Mr. Otim James. I'm the manager of Koyo Growers Cooperative Society Limited. This is our first trade fair, but I believe because of the impact we've had, I believe that's why we've been rewarded with being the best small-scale industry at the UMA Trade Fair. This has also given us a lot of publicity. This award was given by His Excellency, and we encourage other small-scale industries like ourselves to take part in such expos, because it gives you a chance to compare your products, but not just that, also learn from other exhibitors, which we've really done at this show. So thank you very much.
We are so grateful that we've been in this show. We've benefited a lot. In fact, we've not made any loss because our sales have increased, buyers have come, awareness has increased because lots of people know us now. I hope as a company we are going to do better than ever before.
As a company, we have benefited quite a lot. Many visitors have come to our store. They've seen what we produce. Many of them didn't know that we produce quite much more. And we've got many testimonies as well. Those who have used our products in the past, like the nails, they've testified that we have the best nails on the market. For job creation, we have 3 locations, and we have a new state-of-the-art factory in the industrial park at Namave. The factory employs over 1,000 direct employees and over 7,000 indirect staff.
My name is Thamapon and Sasipim. We are from Thailand. The product we have are cosmetic for the skin care and the perfume and the rice, the food supplement and the drink for healthy. The benefit is that to make Uganda to know more about the Thai product, to check out of quality what we have. We value Uganda to support us.